Securing loads with traditional lever load binders has always presented challenges due to their simplistic design. The Peerless Prolok66 adjustable lever binder provides solutions to many of the common issues found with traditional lever binders. In today's video, we'll talk about the Prolok66, its features, and how you can safely operate it for your application. The Prolok66 offers two unique features that set it apart from traditional lever binders. It has a built-in knurled adjustment nut feature that allows the user to adjust the binder a full 2 inches, allowing for the best possible fit and perfect tension when connecting the binder to chain. The binder features a handle safety latch, which is automatically engaged when the handle is closed, and then easily disengaged when releasing the load. The Prolok66 has a yellow powder coated finish with drop forged hooks which have size and grade markings forged into the hook. The working load limit of 6,600 pounds is marked on the handle. The Prolok66 is available to fit chain sizes 5/16 and 3/8 in both grade 43 and grade 70 chain. Before operating, be sure to check and follow your equipment's manual and all transportation regulations for the jurisdictions for which you'll be traveling. To begin operation, open the lever binder and fully extend the binder hook by unscrewing the adjustable nut. With the binder chain attached to the load at a 45-degree angle, attach the binder hooks to the chain while taking up as much slack as possible. With your head and body clear of the handle, use 2 hands to grab the top of the binder handle and pull the handle towards you until it has been completely closed and locks into place. If the binder did not apply the desired tension, release the binder and retract the hook by turning the adjustable nut. Repeat this process until the desired tension is reached. Lastly, ensure that the handle is in the closed and locked position before transporting your load. Before removing the binder, be sure to stand clear of the handle as it can release violently. Disengage the handle lock, slowly pull upwards on the handle, and guide the handle forwards until tension has been released. For a full video with more information on proper load binding techniques, please click the link to the video that we posted below. You can also visit our website and view the blog posts that we've made on there. We'd like to give special thanks to Chauvin Brothers Tractor in Belle Chasse, Louisiana for allowing us to film at their facility. As always, we hope this video has answered any questions or concerns you might have about the proper operation and features of the Prolok66 adjustable lever binder. I'm Tyler with E-Rigging. Thanks for watching.